Al-Shifai, Al-Shifai. Yo, just like spiders crawl on walls, we stick to bits, followers don't fall. Watch out if you have a fear of heights, or the glare from the piercing lights blowing against winds makes your skin tight. Scale tall buildings in a single bound, come to them from the top, knock them out one round. The awful cry, that's our sound. Destroyed civilizations, sinful nations, such is our sanctions. Shower a storm, so just open up the gates from heaven. Rain on them 40 days, 40 nights. Messengers did come down to warn, can't blame us, we've been more than nice. They wronged themselves by choosing not to do right. Not even a whisper, now they out of sight. Of the wrong to us, last remnant was cut off. They held themselves too powerful, but was really soft. Soon as the wrath come down, too late for prayers, no discriminate, eliminate kings and layers, layers and layers. Sorcerers, soothsayers, bad game players, murderers, oppressors, killers, dangerous aggressors, transgressors, in on and all unbelievers, all who practice evil. This and the riddle, thought of yourself a hero, Mao Shihiro, now they not the zero. Gone with the wind, they only is cause we were born in sin. That's a pretty good excuse, right? You've been bamboozled. Destroyed civilizations, destroyed civilizations, sinful nations, such is our sanctions. Of the wrong to us, last remnant was cut off. They held themselves too powerful, but was really soft. Of the wrong to us, last remnant was cut off. They held themselves too powerful, but was really soft. Al-Shifai.